Today we are going to learn about efficient text manipulation with Python string methods. We will explore various string methods to enhance your skills in data cleaning and text manipulation.
Welcome to our tutorial on efficient text manipulation with Python string methods. In this video, we will explore the power of Python string methods, essential for anyone involved in data science, web scraping, or any form of text data handling. We will cover methods like split, join, replace, and many more, providing you with the tools to efficiently clean and manipulate text data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to employ these methods for effective text transformation.
String methods in Python are built-in functions that allow for the manipulation and transformation of text data. They are essential tools for those working in fields like data science, where cleaning and formatting text data is a frequent task. In this block, we will explore what string methods are and why they are invaluable for Python programmers. We will introduce you to some of the most commonly used methods and discuss how they can be combined using method chaining to perform complex text manipulations. Whether you're dealing with simple formatting tasks or complex data transformations, understanding these methods will greatly enhance your efficiency in handling text data.
The split method is one of the most frequently used string methods in Python. It allows you to divide a string into a list based on a specified delimiter. This is incredibly useful when handling CSV files, log files, or any data format where text needs to be broken down into smaller, manageable parts. For example, if you have a string of comma-separated values, using split comma will generate a list of those values. This method is not only powerful but also flexible, as it can handle various delimiters and formats. Understanding how to use split will enable you to efficiently process and clean text data, making it ready for analysis or further manipulation.
The join method is the counterpart to split and is used to combine elements of a list into a single string. This method is particularly useful when you need to reconstruct text from a list of strings, such as joining words into a sentence or merging data fields into a single line. Unlike simple concatenation, join provides a more efficient and readable way to create strings. For instance, using .join A, B, C will produce a BC, making it easy to add separators between elements. Mastering the join method will allow you to handle complex text assembly tasks with ease, making your data processing scripts both efficient and elegant.
The replace method in Python is used to replace occurrences of a specified substring within a string with another substring. This method is particularly useful when you need to clean or standardize text data. For example, replacing misspelled words, converting abbreviations, or updating outdated terminology. Replace is case-sensitive by default, but you can work around this by combining it with other methods like lower or upper to handle case-insensitive replacements. This method is a staple in data cleaning scripts, helping ensure that text data is accurate and ready for analysis. Case conversion methods like lower, upper, and title are essential tools for formatting and standardizing text data. Lower converts all characters in a string to lowercase, which is useful for case-insensitive comparisons or when you need a uniform text format. Upper does the opposite, converting all characters to uppercase, suitable for emphasizing text or when a specific format is required. Title capitalizes the first letter of each word, commonly used in formatting book titles or headlines. Understanding and applying these methods will allow you to manipulate text data with precision, ensuring consistency and readability in your datasets.
Python provides several methods to validate the content of strings, such as isalpha and isNumeric. These methods are crucial for ensuring data validity and integrity. Isalpha checks if all characters in a string are alphabetic, making it useful for validating names or text-only fields. isNumeric, on the other hand, checks if a string contains only numeric characters, which is essential for validating numerical inputs or IDs. By incorporating these methods into your scripts, you can automate the validation process, reducing errors and enhancing the quality of your data. Whitespace can often be an overlooked issue in text data, leading to formatting errors or inconsistencies. Python provides strip, and restrip methods to address this issue. Strip removes whitespace from both ends of a string, making it a go-to method for cleaning up user input data. Strip and restrip are more specific, allowing you to remove whitespace from the left or right end of a string, respectively. These methods are particularly useful in data cleaning scripts to ensure that text fields are uniform and free from accidental spaces that might affect data processing or analysis.
Searching for specific substrings within text is a common task in data processing. Python offers find and index methods for this purpose. Find returns the lowest index of the substring if found, and -1 if not, making it useful for conditional checks. Index provides similar functionality but raises a value error if the substring is not found, which requires handling exceptions. These methods are particularly useful in text analysis, allowing you to locate and manipulate specific data points within larger text blocks. Understanding the nuances of these methods will enhance your ability to perform precise text searches and manipulations.
One of the most powerful aspects of Python's string methods is their ability to be combined for complex text manipulations. This technique, known as method chaining, allows you to apply multiple transformations in a single, concise line of code. For example, you can use split to break down text, replace to modify specific parts, and join to reconstruct the modified text. This approach not only enhances the readability of your code but also improves efficiency, as fewer lines of code mean less processing time. By mastering method chaining, you can tackle even the most intricate text manipulation tasks with ease and precision. As we conclude our exploration of Python's string methods, it's important to reflect on the power and flexibility these tools offer. Efficient text manipulation is a critical skill in today's data-driven world, enabling you to clean, analyze, and transform data with precision. We've covered fundamental methods like split, join, and replace, and demonstrated how combining these methods can solve complex text processing challenges. I encourage you to practice these techniques and explore additional resources to further enhance your skills. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing your text manipulation prowess in action.